we are looking at how to pronounce this word, one of the longest words in the world, at least mentioned in literature. We'll be looking at how to say more long words too. So this is the name of a fictional dish mentioned in Aristophanes, a Greek author, ancient Greek, and it counts with 183 characters. So how do you say it? Lopadotemachoselachogaleokranioleipsano, drim, hypo, trimmato, silphio, karabo, melito, katakechy, kichl, kossypho, phatto, perister, alektryon, opte, kephallio, kigklo, peleio, lagoio, siraio, baphe, tragano, pterygon is how, roughly you pronounce that. I guess you'd have to be Greek really to pronounce it perfectly, but that was my best shot, and now you got it. More videos for you here to learn more interesting words pronunciations. Those are actually pronounced correctly. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.